Hello children, our today's lesson name is Introduction and Writing of 11 to 20. So children, let's revise the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My dear children, you have already studied number 1 to 9. And you already know that number 1 to 9 is one digit number, whereas number 10 is a two digit number. Now children, 10 units together make 110. A 10 means a bundle of 10 units or singles. A 10 has 1, 10 and 0 units, and so the number 10 is written as 1 and 0. Now children, can you tell me how much bits it is? Yes, it's 11. So now 11 is also a two-digit number. So we can say it as 110 and 1 unit. Now children, let me explain you all the place value of the numbers 11 to 20 in this chapter today. So let's begin. Now in this children, we have to count and make a group of 10 objects and have to write them in tens and units. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so children, so first what we'll do, first you can see there are triangles. Okay, so we have to first count them. Okay, and then we'll make the group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll make a group of 10 triangles. Okay, we will make a group of 10 triangles. Now children, you can see there is one triangle remaining. Okay, we have made this one group of triangles, but there is one triangle remaining. Now how we will write them, just see here. So one group of 10 means 110. Okay, one group of 10 means 110, and so the remaining one triangle will write it as 1 unit. Okay, so 110 means 10. Okay, 110 means 10 and 1 unit means 1. Okay, so 10 and 1, what they make? They make number 11. So 10 and 1 make 11. So 110 and 1 unit means 110. 110 means 10 and 1 unit means 1. That is equal to 11. Okay, so 10 and 1 make 11. Now we'll move towards the next. So now you can see here apples. Okay, now what we'll do, we have to count them first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll make a group of 10 apples. Okay, so first we'll make a group of 10 apples. Now children, let's count the remaining apple. You can see there are 2 apples remaining, 1 and 2. So we will write it as, now one group of apple means 110. Okay, one group of apple means 110, and the remaining 2 apples we will write it as 2 unit. Okay, so 2 units. Okay, so 110 and 2 units. So 110, that means 10. Okay, and 2 units, that means 2. So make 12. They make 12. Now we'll move to the next. Now you can see there are balls. You can see There are so many balls. Okay, now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so how many? Now we have made group of 1. We have made one group of balls. Okay, now we have made one group of balls over here that are having how many balls? 10 balls. This one group of balls are having 10 balls in it. Now let's see the remaining balls. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So they are 3 balls. There are 3 balls that are remaining. So now we will write it as this one group of 10 balls. We will write it as 110. And these 3 balls we will write it as 3 units. Okay. So 110 that means 10 and 3 units that means 3. So 110 and 10 and 3 that makes what? 13. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So 10 and 3 that makes 13. Okay children. Now we'll see the other one. Now you can see there are so many kites. Okay. So first what we will do? We'll count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we have got here one group of 10 kites. We got one group of 10 kites. Okay. Now here some remaining kites are there. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the remaining kites are 4. And we have got here one group of 10 kites. Okay. So one group of 10 kites, that means 110. And the remaining kites are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units. Okay, so 110, 4 units. So 110 that means 10 and 4 units means 4. So 10 plus 4 that will make 14. So 10 and 4 makes 14. 10 and 4 make 14. Okay children. Now we'll move to the cherries. Now you all can see your cherries. Okay children. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we will make a group of 10 cherries. Okay. Now there are some remaining cherries also. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 more cherries remaining out of that group. So this is the 110. So now 110 we will write here. That means one group of 10 cherries is 110 and the remaining cherries are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5 units. Okay. So 110, 5 units. That means 110 means 10 and 5 unit means 5. Okay. So this is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 10 and 5 make 15. Okay. 10 and 5 they make 15. Okay children. Okay. Now you can see here some more triangles. Okay. Now you can see here many triangles over here. Now just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got one group of 10 triangles. Okay, we got one group of 10 triangles. Now there are some remaining triangles also. Let's count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first what we will do? We will write this one group of 10 this way, one group of triangle this way, 1, 10, and the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, we'll write them as 6 units. Okay, 6 units. So 110 that means 10 and 6 unit that means 6. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. That means 10 and 6 make 16. Now you can see again many apples. Okay. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are now making a group of 10 apples. Okay. Now what we are doing? A group of 10 apples. Now there are some more remaining apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 more remaining apples. Okay, so now first for this group we will write, that is one group of 10 apples we will write as 110, and the remaining 7 apples we will write them as 7 units. Okay, so 110 means 10 and 7 unit means 7. That means 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So 10 and 7 that make 17. Okay. Now here you can see so many balls. Okay. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we'll make the group of 10 balls. We'll make a group of 10 balls. Okay. So this is the group of 10 balls. So we'll write here 110. Okay. Now the remaining balls, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So we'll write them as 8 units. Okay. So 110 that means 10 and 8 units that means 8. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay. So 10 and 8 that makes 18. Now there are so many stars over here. Okay. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we'll make a group of 10 stars. Okay. Now we have made the group of 10 stars. Now there are some remaining stars. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this one group of 10 we'll write it as 110, and this remaining stars, the remaining stars will write it as units. Okay. So how many units they are? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 units. We'll write them as 9 units. So children, 110 means 10 and 9 unit means 9. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So 10 and 9 make 19. Okay. Now you all can see so many cherries. Okay. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we will make a group of 10 cherries. Okay. Now we have made a group of 10 cherries. Now there are some remaining cherries. You all can see there are some remaining cherries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, they are also 10. So we'll make one more group of this cherries. Okay, because they are 10. So one more, and they have told us to make group of 10. So we'll make one more group of 10 cherries. So we got here 2 group of 10 cherries. Yes, we got here 2 group of 10 cherries. So what we will write? We'll write them as 110. Okay, we'll write them as 110 or 110. So 110 and 110. Okay, 110 and 110. Otherwise, we can also write, the other way we can write is directly 1 and 1, that is we can write them as 2 tens also. Okay, so 2 tens that means 20, because 110 that means 10. Okay, and 110 that means also 10. So when we add 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. So either we write this way that is 110 and 110, that will be also 20, or either we'll write this 2 tens, that is equal to 20. Now let's have the next example. 110 and 1 unit make 11. 110 and 2 units make 12. 110 and 3 units make 13. 110 and 4 units make 14. 110 and 5 units make 15. 110 and 6 units make 16. 110 and 7 units make 17. 110 and 8 units make 18. 110 and 9 units make 19. 110 and 110 make 20. Students, here is a small activity for you all, and you have to answer it quickly. 110, 3 units make 13. So 110 and 3 units. Okay, so 1 is in the tens place and 3 is in the units place. Okay. Now the next one. 110, 2 units make 12. Okay, so 1 is in the tens place and 2 is in the units place. So children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Thank you.